You want to start an online business, but you don't have the money or time to invest in getting started. There are many programs out there that will teach you how to make money online, but most of them cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Not only that, they require a lot of work and perseverance before you can get any results from them. That's why I created this video to show you step by step 3 different ways that you can make money online with less than $100. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. Alright, as I mentioned, I'm going to list and show you 3 different ways that you can start an online business for less than $100 in your pocket. Now, each of these methods are proven and you can get started after this video. So the first way that I want to show you is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. When you recommend a product or service and the customer clicks the link and buys your product, you get paid a commission. Let me show you how you can get started today after this video with affiliate marketing. The first thing you'd want to do is go over to Amazon.com. Now, Amazon has an affiliate program where you can get paid a commission. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on Become an Affiliate. Now, make sure you watch this entire video because there's a special way that you do this. What you click on Become an Affiliate, click on Sign Up. Go through the process and sign up. They're going to ask that you have a website, an app, or a YouTube channel. You're going to put in your YouTube channel link. Yes, you will need to create a YouTube channel for this, but you don't have to be on camera. So let me show you what we're going to do when we jump over to YouTube. Obviously, you're going to go to youtube.com. And the other thing that I want to show you is to go to amazon.com. And what we're going to do is we're going to do simple videos that are about 5 to 10 minutes in length. And you're going to put your affiliate link in the description of every video. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to bestsellers, and then we are simply going to pick some bestsellers. Now, I recommend that you find products that are at least $100 because Amazon will pay you a commission of up to 10%, but it's probably going to be closer to that 3.5%. So you're going to need a lot of volume, a lot of traffic, and you're going to need a product that sells for at least $100. So what we can do is, for example, we can look at this Fire Stick. Now, the Fire Stick is going to be less than $100, but this is a good example. So we're simply going to copy Fire TV Stick, copy this, jump back over to YouTube. We're going to paste this in, and then we are going to type in review 2021. And when we do that, you're going to see that people are doing this exact thing. The top result here from just a month ago, 133,000 views. But what we're looking for is we're looking for tiny channels so that you can see that there is some opportunity. If we keep scrolling here, you can see this channel, 27,000 views, 1.3 thousand subscribers. Now, what will happen is you're simply going to create a review video for the Fire Stick TV, and you're going to add your affiliate link, and you're going to make sure you tell people, hey, to buy your stick, your Fire Stick today, click the link in the description. You want to let them know that it is an affiliate link. Another opportunity is we'll do Fire Stick 4K, and then we're going to type in versus, and we're simply going to do Fire Stick 4K versus Roku Ultra. Now, you'll see here the top result, 262,000 views, 800,000 subscribers. That's a large channel. But if we look at this third one down here, this video is almost 6 minutes long. He has 181 subscribers, 2.6 thousand views. And even though it's not liked by a lot of people, it doesn't matter, because what we want is we want people to click on our affiliate link. And when they click on the link and buy the product, we get paid a commission. Another thing that you can do is you can add 2021. The best part about this method is this doesn't necessarily have to cost you anything. You can use products that you find around your house. You could spend $50 on a Fire Stick and still put $50 in your pocket, but you don't need to spend anything to get started. If we look at this top result here, it looks like these are all 14,000 views, 1.2 thousand subscribers. You can see there is some opportunity here. 394 subscribers, 8.3 thousand views. If we look at this video right here, this is a 13-minute video, and he doesn't even show his face. So there is plenty of opportunity, and you don't have to use Amazon. There are tons of affiliate programs out there. You can use Best Buy or Walmart or Target. You just need to go out and really just take action. The people that take action are going to find some results, regardless if it's good, bad, or indifferent. You take that one step, you will be rewarded. And it gets much easier, believe it or not, it gets much easier creating these YouTube videos as you continue to do them. But number one is with YouTube. And then the second way that you can get started for less than $100 is with blogging. Now, blogging is simply picking a topic or niche, writing within that niche, and then adding in affiliate links. The cool thing with blogging is you can get paid in a number of ways. With, as I mentioned, affiliate marketing, you can get paid with having ads on your website. You can actually create and sell your own products. You can sell physical products. You can even have people that will contact you and say, hey, I want a guest post and I'll pay you $100. And the great thing with blogging, if we jump over to Bluehost, you can get started for like $3.95 per month. So if we go over to bluehost.com and we look at the shared hosting plans, you can see here, $3.95 per month. It's $13.95 per month. And if we do just the 1 year term, you can see you can get started for less than $100. Now, let me show you, because everyone will say, blogging is dead. It's, pretty competitive. It's too competitive. It really all depends on the niche that you choose. If we jump over to a website called Ahrefs, and you don't have to do this, but this can be a good way to help you out. This will cost you about $7. If we combine Bluehost and Ahrefs, $7 for 7 days, you're probably about $85, we'll say. What you can do is you can go over to Keywords Explorer and you can type in a keyword or a keyword phrase that you're interested in. For example, if we did, let's say, woodworking, which is going to come back as extremely competitive. As you can see, it's super hard. We can go over to phrase match and we can actually sort by keyword difficulty. And the lower the number closer to 0, the less competition there is, the less people that are writing on this topic. So now with all keyword search engines or keyword, with any type of website like Ahrefs or SEMrush, these are all just guesses and projections. The only people that really know the exact amount of search traffic that comes is Google or Bing or Yahoo, and they don't really release that information. But as you can see here, this ranks as not really that competitive. And what you could do is you could just copy this keyword here, copy this, and then jump back over, paste that into Google, and it's going to give you an idea of how competitive it can be. Now, because this is an IRS auctions website, that's probably going to be a little competitive. But if we scroll down just a little bit, we can see liquidation woodworking machinery. If we click on that, that might be an area of opportunity. If we open this up in a new tab, let's see what we have here. This looks like it's just an e-commerce site, so that might not be the best opportunity, but as you can see, there will be opportunity nonetheless, as long as you take action. What we can also do too is we can go back over to Ahrefs and find questions that are not as competitive, and then we can simply create a blog. You can create a blog with Bluehost, which I recommend, or you can create a blog for free using a website called Medium. Now, ultimately, I recommend that you have your own platform so that you can make the most amount of money. So how to dry wood fast for woodworking. If we copy this claims to have a fairly low competition score. We can jump back over to Google, paste this in, and let's see this top result here. If we scroll up to the top here, we can get an idea of the number of words on the page. Now, the number of words don't necessarily indicate how competitive it is, but it does give us an idea of how much time, energy, and effort someone has put into this blog post. So if we right click and we go word counter, it looks like 2,200 words, so that's not too bad. But you know that the blog posts that are beneath it probably aren't written as well or as to that length. So your goal when you're blogging is to show up on the first page. If we take a look at this here, and let's see, if we scroll down here, this is probably about we'll say a 1,500 word blog post. Let's see, we'll right click, we'll open this up in a new tab. And this one is, all right, so this is 1,800 words, but that does include some of the stuff down here. But if we look at this website, you can see that they have some ads on here. Now, these are probably their ads where they're selling their own course. You could be an affiliate for a product called Ted's Woodworking, where they'll pay you a commission. That you can find that over on ClickBank, but there is some opportunity here as long as you're willing to put in the work. And what I did was I actually sorted this by competition. I reduced it down to 0, and you can see there is some opportunity down here, but blogging can be a good opportunity. And I just want to show you my website. If we go to alstongodbolt.com, and I want to show you a few different things. Here you are at alstongodbolt.com. I have a place where people can enter in their email address and they'll be added to my mailing list, and I'll email them automatically. If we scroll down here a little bit further, this is an ad. So when people see this ad, I get paid. And if they click on the ad, I get paid a little bit more. If I click on this blog post right here, this is an ad where I can get paid potentially. But what I want to show you is right here. These are all digital products that I've created. And I'll talk a little bit more about digital products in a second, but it's a really good opportunity because I created these digital products once, and anytime someone clicks and buys, I get paid a commission. In addition, I have affiliate links in here to Bluehost and some other places. So everything that I'm telling you is exactly what I'm doing. So I have a good idea of what works and what doesn't work. So after blogging, let's go ahead and talk about the third way, which is creating digital products. Now, I absolutely love creating and selling digital products because you create the product once and you get paid for it for forever, as long as the internet's alive and well. And it doesn't have to be terribly difficult to create a digital product. You can create an ebook, you can create digital planners, you can create a PDF guide or checklist, anything that's going to save people time or money, you can create it and sell it. Now, the great thing with creating a digital product is you can create it 100% for free with a website called Canva. If we jump over to canva.com, they have a number of templates for you to use and modify. Now, it's very important that when you find things over on Canva, you can't just package them and sell them. You have to make some sort of modification. But just looking at the screen here, here are a number of templates. If you wanted to, you could create presentations and then sell them over on Etsy or book covers. You could sell book covers over on Fiverr, Instagram posts. Let me just show you here real quick. If we jump over to Etsy.com. And again, I know this works because I have products over on Etsy.com. As you can see, my shop over here, digital planners. These are very simple planners that people are selling, and you can do this 100% for free. Or if you have more money than time, you have $100, in fact, you could hire someone over on Fiverr to create these planners for you, and then you package them up and sell them. Look at these planners here. They aren't terribly difficult. And the cool thing is you create them once, you put them over on Etsy, and when someone clicks and buys, they download them right away and you get paid. It's very easy, very hands-off, but you can do this for anything. If we type in printable, you can do printable wall art. As you can see, calendars, stickers, all sorts of stuff. You can sell it on Etsy, but Etsy's gonna take a piece of the profit. What you can do is you can actually create and sell them yourself. You could create them and sell them yourself on WordPress, with a Bluehost web hosting package. You can use something like what I do. I use Clickfunnels to sell all of my products. If we go back over to, let's go to alstongodbolt.com one more time here. Go to alstongodbolt.com. And what I want to show you is the digital product that I sell using Clickfunnels. With Clickfunnels, you can set up a sales page. It takes care of the ordering and the payments and everything. So if I just click on this, this is all hosted on Clickfunnels. I don't know why that happened, but this is all hosted on Clickfunnels, created very easily within probably 45 minutes. And again, you just go through, and this book will actually show you how to create and sell a digital product, but you can go through, create it yourself using Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels has a 2-week free trial, and then after the first 2 weeks, it goes to $97 per month. So this can be a good opportunity, but let's recap real quick. The first one that I showed you is with affiliate marketing, and that's simply recommending and selling other people's products and services. The second one is with blogging, and with blogging, you can make money in a number of ways, with running ads on your website, with affiliate marketing, with selling your own digital or physical products, and even with guest hosting. And then the third one is creating and selling digital products. Now, you can create and sell digital products a number of ways. You can create them yourself, just find inspiration and ideas using a website like Etsy. You can have someone create them for you with a website like Fiverr, or you can do it yourself with a website like Kajabi or Clickfunnels or Kartra. Now that you know 3 ways to start an online business with less than $100 per day, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.